simultaneous equation, we are going to solve it using elimination method. There are a number of methods you can use. There's also substitution method. You can solve using matrices, but this question we're going to focus on solving using elimination method. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is label my equations. Equation 1, equation 2. Whatever number is in front of here, I'm going to multiply equation 1 by it. Whatever number is in front of here, I'm going to multiply equation 2 by it. I'll tell you why in a sec. So for this equation here, the coefficient of x is 3. So I multiply equation 2 by it. For this equation here, the coefficient of x, or the number in front of x, is -5. So I multiply equation 1 by it. So let's deal with that. When you're multiplying different signs, it's a minus. 3x multiplied by 5 is 15x. When you're multiplying different signs, it's a minus. 4y times 5 is 20y. When you're multiplying different signs, it's a minus. 18 multiplied by 5 is 90. This is equation 3. Continuing, different signs, minus 5x by 3 is 15x. Same signs, it's a plus. 6y by 3 is 18y. Again, same signs is a plus. 8 by 3 is 24. No, I didn't put a plus here because it's understood. Plus 24 is equal to 24. All right. So once you have that, you draw a straight line and you put a minus sign here. The reason why I did whatever number is here, you multiply equation 2 by it, and whatever number is here, you multiply equation 1 by it, is for us to get the same term and number here and here. So we have -15x, we have -15x. When we say -15x minus -15x, we get 0. It will cancel out. We always minus, always, right? Elimination means you're getting rid of, making it 0. So you're going to find for one variable, and then you're going to find for another variable afterwards. So -15x minus -15x is like saying -15 minus -15, right? When you're multiplying, same signs is positive. -15 plus 15 is 0, all right? So you get 0 here. -20 is what I'm writing down. -20y minus, and I'm writing down positive 18y, and I'll put that in a bracket. Equals -90 minus, that is this minus sign here, 24. All right, so when you're multiplying different signs, it's a minus. So I'm going to write -20y minus 18y. That is equal to 90, -90 minus 24. Use a calculator. That is equal to -114. All right, so -20y minus 18y. So once we have the same variable, we focus on the numbers. -20 minus 18 is -38y, and that is equal to -114. So y is equal to -114 divided by -38. And you will get y is equal to 3. Use a calculator. And I will label this equation 5. All right. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put y equals to 3 into equation 3. All right, write that circle a little bigger. All right. So always I'm going to put whatever value I get for y, I'm going to put it back into equation 3. If you put it in equation 1, equation 2, equation 4, you should get the same answer. But for consistency's sake, I like to just put it back into equation 3. So I write down my equation 3 first. Negative 15x minus 20y is equal to negative 90. So look, my equation 3 right here. See label 3. Nice, I write back that. And instead of putting y here, I'm going to put 3. Negative 20y means negative 20 times y. So if y is equal to 3, it will be negative 20 times 3. So I have negative 15x minus 20, open bracket, 3 equals negative 90. Bracket means multiplication. So negative 15x minus 60 is equal to negative 90. Negative 15x is equal to negative 90 plus 60. When you transpose simply means if you add 60 on both sides, this will cancel out here, all right? And you end up with negative 15 is equal to negative 90 plus 60, all right? So that is the idea of transposing. So negative 15x is equal to negative 30. X is equal to negative 30 over negative 15. So let me just tell you why. You want to get 1x. So in order for us to get 1x here, if I divide both sides by negative 15, whatever number is in front of the x, in this case is negative 15. And based on the equal sign, the rule is whatever you do on this side, you have to do on this side for the equal sign to remain true. You'll have to divide by this, by negative 15 as well. So that is how you end up getting 1 and negative 30 over negative 15. All right, so that's just something to remember. Continuing, x is equal to positive 2. When you divide in same signs as positive, 15 into 30 is 2. So then we just quote our answer. We say, therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. And don't forget, this is equation 6. All right, so that's it, solving simultaneous equation using elimination method.